Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ishita. I welcome you all to my channel English with Ishita. So, do you want to speak English fluently and confidently and also effortlessly? Yes, I know. For this you are watching this video, for this you are here. So that is why I am asking you to continue watching the video till the very end because this video gonna be very productive for them who are willing to be fluent in English, who all have the wish to speak English fluently and effortlessly. So are you one of them? Then please stay connected with me because in this video I will gonna discuss about some master tips and tricks that will help you to improve your English. So I hope if you follow this action plan, your English will be improving day by day. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. And before starting, make sure you have subscribed to my channel for getting more this kind of English learning videos updates. And one more thing, I will cover this video into two different parts. This is the first part of the video. The second part will be published very soon. So, to learn a new thing or to master in a specific subject, we need to set a specific goals, isn't it? So, the first point is to set a specific goal. You know what? English fluency, or that can be any language learning or anything, is a very great level to reach, and that will take a very long time to achieve. That isn't so easy. So, becoming a fluent English speaker, it is not a simple goal. That is why you should think of more concrete and also obvious goals that can lead you to achieve your English fluency. So when you setting a goal, you should decide exactly what you want to learn or how long you want to spend time in learning it. That is very much important. You should know how long you want to spend learning it. Next point, that is figure out your problems. You should know where you have your difficulties. To learning a language, you might find some parts of the English language are especially difficult for you. That may be anything like grammar, pronunciation, sentence structure, and so on. That is more important that you find out your weak point and clarify them on your own. You have to make sure to improve in all the parts of this language without lagging behind any part of them. So for this, you need to figure out your difficulties. You should figure out your problems. Next point is to read storybooks. That is very much important to learn a new language. I have mentioned 100 times before in my previous videos of the tips and tricks of fluent in English because we cannot avoid this point. We need to read more and more to achieve our fluency, to achieve our English level. So, according to your genre, reading storybooks or read whatever you have, they must be in English. And if you don't want to buy a new book, then you can read newspaper of daily basis. That not only helps your English, but also you will be stay connected or stay updated with day-to-day events. And also you will be introduced new phrases, new vocabulary, new words and many more. Also, if you don't have a newspaper, then stock online websites, blogs in English that also help you out in this field. You can also go for online libraries. I have a great option for your online reading. In this website, you can get various kinds of ebooks and of course it is totally free of cost. I will give the link of the site in the description box. You can download any kind of books from there. You can download the PDF of the book and you can easily read. Next point, pay your time regularly. That is very much important. Studying English for an hour once in a week isn't enough to make any real productive progress. The best way to quickly improve your English is to spend at least a few more minutes practicing every single day. Also, while you are in your bed at night, try to practice on yourself at that time. You can start watching and listening to English speaking podcasts, movies and songs and anything. Keep an English daily newspaper when you are your free time. As we can see, the main thing is to pay time for practice. You have to practice more and more to achieve your English fluency. And that's all for today. This is the first part of the video. The second part will be published on the next week. Now just start following these master tips. I hope that will really beneficial for you to achieve your English fluency. I have covered some unique tips that will definitely help you a lot to build your English speaking power. So practice with this and keep learning, and please stay connected for the second part of the video. And please share this video with your friends and family members who are also willing to improve their English. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting more this kind of English learning videos updates. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.